What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on PLTR ticker. And on today's video I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and with massive buys that we still have in their institutional section. And at the end of this video I will show you my forecast for the price action for this stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from Webull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks, link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very top and I've told you that we've finished the entire structure of 5 waves. And it is very technical, and from this point I've told you that we have to have a retracement, and from this point, from my previous video, we had a more than 8% decline to the price point of 23.69, and it was very technical. Let me show you right here that usually we have to have a simple zigzag in the retracement, and right here you can find it, ABC correction. And the C wave has to have 5 waves in its structure. And if this is the top of our C wave, first wave, second, third, fourth and fifth one, and B is right here. This is the top right here this week. So, and it is very technical, and let me show you that we can measure for now the retracement, and the retracement should be from the very bottom. From the bottom of entire third wave. Let me clean the chart a little bit. From the entire bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave. And we also have a good reaction from 0.5 level. And from this point we are up. And we are up for about 5% from this point. The latest accumulation point that I've told you you might enter your position was right here at around $20.67. You're up for about 21%. And we have 2 more major accumulation points right here. It is a golden pocket from the very bottom to the very top of this movement, and the level of 0.786 Fibonacci retracement. And the average price in between these 2 levels is around $19.5, and we are up for about 26% as well. And from the very bottom that we nailed to the tick, we have massive profits for more than 46%. Congratulations to all of you who took these trades and who follow my channel, and you have more chances to gain some money with these amazing companies. So let's continue with the fundamentals of Palantir. And for those of you who don't know what it is all about, Palantir Technologies builds and deploys software platforms for the intelligence community in the United States to assist in counter-terrorism investigation and operation. The company has 2 products, Palantir Gotham, mostly for government use, and Palantir Foundry. It is for commercial use. And they have a market cap for now of $46.89 billion. They have a revenue of $1.33 billion with a negative net income of $1.26 billion and very good revenue growth of 47.41%. They have a very strong cash position of $2.34 billion with the total debt slightly below $250 million. So, from the financial standpoint, this company is extremely stable. The only concern it is negative net income, but as I already mentioned in my previous video, they reinvest all their money to expand their presence on the market. And we have right here we have 2 articles. First of all, Palantir shareholders unfriendly company with limited upside, and second one, does Palantir use more stock-based compensation than other young tech companies? And these 2 articles have 2 different views on one problem. So for some of them it is a problem, for some of them it's not, and it is a stock-based compensation. Right here you can see that stock-based compensation is diluting the shareholders, and it continues to eat all the profits and overshadows any growth of revenues or free cash flow. And right here you can see that from this point of view, stock-based compensation is not so severe, because if right here we have a comparison with the now ticker, it is a service now, and let me quote you this. If you invest $10,000 right after its IPO, the IPO of Now company, for now you would have about 200,000 of net profits. And this number is really impressive. And I have to say that Palantir has the similar upside potential, and that's why, in my opinion, stock-based compensation is not so severe issue that you might think. And let me show you this article. We are on Investor Place, and this article was published 1 day ago, and it's titled "Palantir stock has room to grow as Palantir's commercial business thrives." Let me quote you this. Palantir was a government-first company, but Palantir has since repurposed its core platform into one that can be utilized by commercial entities as well. And right here, in the second quarter, Palantir's commercial revenues grew 90% year-over-year, while its commercial customer count expanded by 32% since the first quarter. Year-to-date, Palantir's commercial customer base has grown by 62%, and let's not forget, we're only halfway through the year. In other words, Palantir is on track to more than double its commercial customer base this year. And the next stop, the target price, according to this article, is $30 for Palantir. And I have to say that I covered their earnings report just several videos ago, and their earnings report is really impressive. And we have to consider that it is only the beginning of this company, and that's why we have, let me show you, institutional owners. We have more companies that are investing in Palantir, and it is really important to see this sentiment around the smart money. And on top of that, let me show you that CATHIE's Wood ARK investment funds, they heavily invested in Palantir stock as well. And as you can see right here on this chart, from the 10th of August, at that moment they had about 26.47 million shares. For now they have more than 37 million shares. They added about 10.5 million shares during this period, and the value of this entire portfolio, only from this point to this one, is more than $250 million. So, and right here you can see their average price, and it is around 24, from 22.8 to $24.4, and it is slightly below our current price, but still we are very close to ARK investment fund's average price. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we have a major target at around $27.64. It is previous resistance. We have two touches right here and right here, and if we will break it, this will officially establish new uptrend from the very bottom of this retracement to the very top. For now we have a swing high of $27.5, and we have to exceed next potential resistances at $38.9 and the all-time high of around $45. So, in my opinion, it is still very good price to add your position, but you have to be cautious, because when we finished all 5 waves from this bottom to this top, potentially I think this will be the top of the 5th wave, but I might be completely wrong. It is just my assumption. And if we will complete all 5 waves at the level of $27.62, we will have a retracement from this bottom to this level, and this retracement will be your next potential opportunity to enter your position. And let me remind you that I never told you to enter your position above $25, and even now I recommend you to wait until we will have the retracement, and this retracement will happen eventually. And I have to say that these type of companies won't skyrocket overnight. This means you always have a possibility to enter your position with a more attractive average price. So just ladder your buys down and do your own due diligence in order to understand all the risks and all the upside potential for this company. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!